Alright, welcome back to another review. Today we are going to be looking at the Club Car Precedent. It is the second and third golf carts of the three here at the property that I'm working at. We got this back in October of 2024. So these are the new golf carts to arrive on the property. However, these are actually an older model. These were built between 2004 and 2018 when the Precedent was succeeded by the Onward and the Tempo, although this recently came back under another name like V4L or something like that. So here's a walkthrough. Main differences between the Tempo and the Precedent is that the Precedent, I love this streamlined appearance. Again, we use it for utility like I did with the Tempo. So we have this rear cargo holder. Same thing on this one. Batteries are also different on this one too. And we use US battery deep cycle 8-volt batteries, 6 of these per golf cart. Again, standard features, just a steering wheel, the basic stop go and stuff like that. But yeah, same thing on this golf cart. We have the same battery and the same there you have it. Seats here are leather with tan finish and a tan roof, but we do have the golf cart covered that's blocking it right now. And yeah, since I never showed this last time, this is our cargo hold. It's a rocks, and you got actually decent space on the utility holder. And yeah, that's the Precedent. So yeah, 2 of these. We do share one of this with a neighboring property down below. And with that out of the way, we are going to get into the drive-by. Alright, we are now inside the first of the 2 Club Car Precedent golf carts. As you can see, up here is the original tan roof that I mentioned that is being covered by this golf cart cover, but I love it a lot. Other than that, you got the same 3 compartments, you got the same 4 cup holders, your stop and go. Here's your steering wheel. This steering wheel I actually like better than the Tempo steering wheel because I feel like you can get a better grip on this one, and it feels smoother too. The battery light is right there. This is the key. Here's your forward, neutral, reverse, and the charging port down there. And that buzzer, by the way, is not original. So what we're going to do first is we're going to turn the key. We're going to turn the golf cart on, set to forward, and let's take this for a quick spin. The only thing I do not like about this golf cart is that it kind of struggles to climb the hills when you compare it to the Tempo. But that's okay because this is an older golf cart model. But like the Tempo, this one is very smooth to operate. There is a lot of snow right now because it did snow last night, or 2 nights ago. Never a great feeling when it snows, but what can you do? And one thing for sure is that it's not recommended to drive a golf cart in the snow. By the way, I forgot to show you. Logo is always showed on the clip. Okay, we are back to our starting spot. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to stop the golf cart and back up. To stop, press the park brake, turn off the buzzer, and there you have it. All right, give me 1 minute. We're going to switch golf carts. All right, we are now inside the second Precedent golf cart from Club Car. As we can see, same interior features. So what we're going to do right now, forward, and let's get going. Now, as you can tell, when we're on the straightaway, this golf cart is faster than the last golf cart you saw. So this one probably has the top speed of 20 miles per hour. It's another reason why this is my favorite golf cart. Now, like the last one, however, it does still have hill climbing struggles. But other than that, it's really efficient like the other golf carts. And as you can tell, it snowed pretty hard last time we were here. Not a good sign at all. Alright, quick back in. This one still has its in-stock Club Car buzzer. Whoops. Alright, and there we have it. And there you have it with the Club Car Precedent review. Like I said, these are about the same as the Tempo that you saw in the last video. However, I do like the Precedents more than the Tempo, and in general, the one on the right is my favorite golf cart. So yeah, not the fanciest golf carts that we have here, but you know what? They get the job done, and I'm proud to have 3 golf carts to be able to drive around here. So with that said, thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.